Welcome to the era of AI-powered smart factories, where efficiency meets precision. Every process is optimized in real time.
Imagine a factory where every machine predicts problems, the future of Industry 5.0. Industry 5.0 combines artificial intelligence, robotics, and human creativity to build smarter, faster, and more sustainable factories. Traditional factories react to problems. Smart factories predict and prevent them. AI vision systems detect defects invisible to the human eye, ensuring nearly perfect quality. Electric vehicle manufacturers use AI to optimize production, reducing errors and increasing speed. Instead of waiting for machines to fail, AI predicts maintenance before problems occur. Digital twins allow factories to simulate every process before making real-world decisions. AI-powered warehouses know exactly where every product is located. Industry 5.0 isn't replacing humans. It empowers people with intelligent machines. Food industries use AI to improve hygiene, quality, and production speed. AI reduces electricity consumption, making factories greener and more sustainable. AI analyzes global supply chains and automatically avoids delays. Healthcare manufacturing uses AI for precision, safety, and regulatory compliance. AI protects workers by identifying hazards before accidents happen. Summon. The factory of tomorrow will think, learn, and continuously improve itself. AI smart factories are transforming industries worldwide, from automobiles to healthcare. The future workforce needs AI skills, robotics knowledge, and digital innovation to lead Industry 5.0. AI-powered smart factories are the future of Industry 5.0. Would you work in one? AI-powered smart factories are not science fiction. They are already changing our world. Subscribe to Educrawl for more future technology insights. Follow Educrawl for more AI innovations.